All right, speaking of international, what region in Italy is best known for Gewürztraminer? What region in Italy is best known for Gewürztraminer?
So here you do have some choices to choose from.
Yes, we do. Puglia, I guess I should tell you, Puglia, Alto Adige, Cartizzi, or Arezzo. What do we think? Puglia, Alto Adige, Cartizze, or Arezzo?
So I know we have someone joining us from Italy, so I know they're going to just
Yep, and they
hit
got
that
the
one
flag,
right off the
and they're
bat.
flying their flag, it looks like.
Okay, smart group again. Everyone
Oh,
putting in Alto
gosh,
Adige.
I cannot win. It is Alto Adige, but I'm going to add a little quiz right here. So, what is Cartizze famous for?
Ooh,
What
bonus
is
question.
Cartizze as a bonus? What is Cartizze famous for? Cartizze, truly, I was there 2 years ago with Mr. Marks, as a matter of fact, coming up on 2 years ago, and I have to say, Cartizze was breathtaking.
It's on the vineyard, super steep and gorgeous, right?
Oh my,
Hilly.
yes, they're gorgeous, and we were there in the spring. The green and the rolling hills and the lushness. It truly is breathtaking.
Okay,
Truly
so
breathtaking.
waiting for our first answer. What is Cartizze famous for? And we have,
And we have a winner,
yes, we sure
Prosecco
do.
Superiore,
So we
DOCG,
actually have, we didn't, so we have a couple of winners. So we have Gabriella, say Prosecco Superiore, DOCG. And then, of course, we have Galera as another
Clara.
answer. Yes, it's famous for Galera as well. And then
Yep,
just Helfand says Prosecco. So
yes.
again, a very smart group here.
Yep. And for those of you who love high-end Prosecco's, actually on December 29th, we are doing Prosecco on Instagram Live at 4 o'clock on Tuesday. So join us over there on Instagram. We're going to be talking about wines from Cartizze, all the high-end, all DOCG Prosecco. So high-end Prosecco's that night. So if you want to learn a little more, join us over there. Boy, I'm just full of cross-referencing here, and and while we're on this page, I will tell you. So, Puglia, mostly known for red grapes, Negro Romano, and Primitivo, and then Arezzo, of course, is right next to Tuscany, and it's actually part of the Super Tuscan IGT area. So, Sangiovese, Cab, Merlot, even some Pinot Nero and Syrah. So that's what those guys are famous for.
Nice.
Okay, this one I'm really curious to see how you do. GG is a label term used to identify some of the finest dry white wines of Germany made from only the best vineyard sites. What does GG stand for? Is it Grosses Gewürz, Grosses Gunlachs, Gunlach Goax, or Grosses Goax? So you can pick your poison here. What do we think? Grosses Gewürz, Grosses Gunlachs, Gunlach Goax, or Grosses Goax? Try saying that 5 times fast. That was a bit of a tongue twister for me.
And the music is playing. We got some answers coming in. If this were Jeopardy, Gabriella would be the fastest on the buzzer.
Yes, you would.
Okay.
Or she.
Here we go. Okay, we got 3 answers coming in. We'll give a couple more seconds. Okay. Yes. We have everyone agreeing that it's Grosses Gewächs.
Thank you.
Selection number 4.
Okay, excellent. Yes, that is the correct answer. And there's a group called the VDPs, the Verband Deutscher Prädikatsweingüters, is a group from Germany. They're a group of wine producers, and they actually classified their vineyards by consensus. And so they use this GG term when members of this group make a Qualitätswein from the best vineyard sites, and that's when they're labeled Grosses Gewachs. Say it again, Christian.
Grosses Gewächs.
Gewächs. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I told you were going to have to help me out. Okay, very good.